Have you guys all joined? Today we are going to talk about complement angle. Till what we have discussed in last session, from where to where it lies, isn't it? Yes or
Sir,
no?
we also did the quadrant system.
Quadrant system. So quadrant system. Let us continue today. So quadrant system. Right. Basically, in quadrant system, what we have discussed, there will be four quadrants. Right. There will be four quadrants. This is my first quadrant. This is my second quadrant. This is my third quadrant. This is my fourth quadrant. Okay. All right. One, two, three, four quadrants. One, two, three, four quadrants. In first quadrant, all will be positive. All will be positive. In second quadrant, sine theta, cosecant theta will be positive, and rest of the functions will be negative. In third quadrant, tan theta, cot theta will be positive, and rest of the functions will be negative. And in fourth quadrant, secant theta and cos theta will be positive, and rest of the functions will be negative. Clear? So, hmm. So first quadrant all positive, second quadrant sine cosecant possible positive. See here, rest will be negative. Rest means rest of the functions will be negative. Here also rest will be negative. Here also rest will be negative. Rest means rest of the other functions. Right? Now guys, one more important point here is, now I told you here 0 degrees, here 90 degrees. Yes or no? Here 180 degrees. Here 270 degrees. Here again 360 degrees. How it's happening? So 0 to 90. Again 90 plus 90. 180. Again 180 plus 90. 270. 270 plus 90. Again 360. Clear? I'm just for every quadrant I'm just adding 90 90. Clear? So now look at this here. So 0 to 90. If I'm going in anti-clockwise, I should take positive. If I'm going in a clockwise direction, I should take negative. Understand? So look at this here. If I write sine 0 to 90, 0 to 90 means sine 90 plus theta and sine 90 minus theta. Look at this, everyone. So 90 plus theta means, I told you 90 plus means I moved forward. 90 minus means I should come backward. All right. 90 plus means forward. All right. Which is a anti-clockwise direction. And 90 plus means anti-clockwise. 90 minus means clockwise. Clockwise, so this is my clockwise, isn't it, guys? If I'm coming this way, this is my clockwise. If I'm going this way, it's anti-clockwise. Understand? So I should take plus for anti-clockwise. I should take minus for clockwise. Understand? You understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Look at this. Pause. 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 here, 90 is here. I'm moving forward, which means 90 plus. So 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta, which quadrant now? First and foremost step is what? To understand, to identify complementary angles. To understand a complementary angles concept, you must understand first 90 plus theta, 90 minus theta. 90 plus theta, which quadrant? 90 plus theta means second quadrant. 90,
Second quadrant.
90 minus theta means which quadrant? 90 minus means backwards. So 90 minus which is in first quadrant.
First quadrant.
First quadrant. Clear? So now let me ask you some other. Himanshu will give me the answer now. Himanshu, tell me tan 180 plus theta and cot 180 minus theta. Tell me which quadrant? Tan 180 plus theta, which quadrant? 180 plus. I'm talking about 180 plus. So I have to go with 180 now. Here is 180. So 180 plus. 180 plus
Third
is
quadrant.
third quadrant, which is lies in third quadrant. Now cot 180 minus. Cot 180 minus. 180 minus means here.
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant.
Second
Sir,
quadrant.
what's theta? Why is theta there, sir? Like 180 plus theta.
Theta is an
I
angle.
understood that 180 is forward, like plus is forward, sir. But why you kept theta, sir? I didn't understand.
Theta can be anything. Look at this here. First, suppose if I write theta means first suppose if I give, I know that till 90 degrees I know, man. Okay. Till 90, tan 90 is what? Tan 90 is what? Infinite.
First check.
Tan 90 is what? Infinite. Sin 90 is what? Till 90 degrees only I know that. So if I ask you what is tan, if I ask you what is tan 180, sir, you didn't teach us tan 180, then how to write? So tan 180 can be written as like this. Look at this. Tan 180. Tan 180 can be written as what? 90 plus 90. Can I write? Now look at this. How it is looking like 90 plus theta. So in place of theta, what can I write? 90 degrees. Clear? In place of theta, what can I write? 90. So now tan 90 plus 90. So look at this now. Tan 90 plus theta. It is looking like how? Tan 90 plus theta. So tan 90 plus theta, which quadrant? 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta, which quadrant? 90 plus theta.
Second.
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant.
In this second quadrant, right? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, what functions will be positive? Sine and
Sine and
Sine
cosine.
and cosec.
so all functions, remaining all functions will be negative. So answer will be negative. So negative something. Negative cot 90 is my answer. So sir, why you no? How did you get caught here? Let me tell you. Look at this here. I hope I cleared your doubt. Why
Yes,
we are
sir.
writing that? Look at this now. And guys, one more important and beautiful note. Look at this. If I have 90 plus or minus theta and 270 plus or minus theta and 180 plus or minus theta and 360 plus or minus theta. Clear? Look at this. If I have for these two and for these two, clear? 90 plus or minus theta. 90 plus or minus theta means what? 90 plus or minus theta is what? 90 plus or minus 90 plus or minus theta. 90 plus theta it can be, 90 minus theta it can be. It can be 270 plus theta, it can be 270 minus theta. Clear? So whenever I have function changes. What function changes? Not our family function. Function means trigonometry function. Look at this. Sin theta will changes as cos theta. And cos theta changes as sin theta. Clear? So tan theta changes as cot theta. And cot theta changes as tan theta. Clear? Now cosecant theta. Cosecant theta changes as secant theta. And secant theta changes as cosecant theta. Whenever I have 90 plus 180 plus, 270 plus and 90 minus 270 minus, whenever I have 270 or 90, then only my function will change. How it will change? Sine will be changing as cos will be changing as sine, tan will be changing as cot will be changing as tan, and cosecant will be changing as secant will be changing as cosecant. And whenever I have 180 plus and 180 minus or 360 plus 360 minus, my function will be remain same. Or you simply write simply same. Function will not change, it will be same. Clear my point, children? Any doubt here?
No.
Look at this. Function will be changing. So now look at this. I have given you this example. Let us erase all this. Here you write plus means you write anti-clockwise. For anti-clockwise, you should take plus. For clockwise, you should take minus. Clear? So anti-clockwise plus and clockwise negative. Now look at this, guys. I told you function will change. How it will change? Sin theta will change as cos theta. Cos will be sin, tan will be cot will be tan, cosecant will be secant will be cosecant. Clear? Now let us try to understand. Now I'll ask you the questions. Look at this. Sin 180 degrees is equal to what? Right? Sir, sin 180 degrees I do not know. In till 0 to 90 degrees only I know. The sin 0 is 0, sir. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, sir. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sir. Sin 60 is 3 by root 2, sir. Root 3 by 2, sir. And sin 90 is 1, sir. So this is what you have taught, sir. But you did not teach us sin 180 degrees. Let me teach you now. Look at this. Sin 180 need not to be taught. Need not to be teach actually. Look at this here. Sin 180 can be written as how? Can I write 180 as 90 plus 90? Guys, you must write 90 plus something. 90 plus something here, 90 plus. So why? Because if I have to write 90 plus or 180 plus or 360 plus or 360 minus, I have to write Only 90 factors, multiples of 90 only. I cannot write other thing. Sir, can't we write now? Sir, sine 180 can be written as sine 30 plus 150 also, no, sir? Guys, we do not have 30 plus theta here, no. We have only 90 plus, 270 plus, 360 plus, and that's what we have, bro. Yes or no? Yes or
Yes,
no,
sir.
children?
Sir.
Now
Yes.
this also can be written as, this also can be written as, sir, sine 20 plus 160 also can be written. If you write this, he will give this one straight away. All right, don't write this. Sir, why we are not writing? Why? Because we are talking about quadrant system. Quadrant means 90, 90, 90, 94 parts, which gives you 360. Look at this here. So guys, this 90, 90, 90, 90. So total 360. Clear? All right. So we are talking about that. Now 90 plus 90. So let me draw here. Look at this here. Let me draw a rough diagram. First, second, third, fourth. Right? First, what will be here? Here sine theta. Sorry, here all positive. All positive. And here sine cosecant will be positive. Here tan theta cot theta will be positive. And here cos theta sin theta will be positive. And remaining functions will be negative here. Clear? Look at this here now. Listen to me carefully, guys. Listen to me. Sir, what you told, sir? Look at this. What I told was 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta means what I told you. Sine will be changing as how? Cos. Let me write first cos. Not cos theta, cos. Cos 90 is my answer. Cos 90 is my answer. Whether it is a plus cos 90 or minus cos 90. It can be anything, right? Let us check how we supposed to change sign of that particular function. First step is what I told you. Whenever I have 90 plus or 270, look at this here. I told you here, right? So whenever I have 290 plus theta, 270 plus theta, function will change. How it will change? Sine will be changing as cos, cos will be changing as sine, tan will be cot, cot will be tan, cosecant will be secant, secant will be cosecant. That's what I told. Here 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta I have, right? So my function will be changing as cos. So cos theta I told you. What is in place of theta I have here? In place of theta what I have? 90 degrees. So in place of theta I'm writing 90, cos 90 degrees. So whether it is a plus cos 90 or minus cos 90. Let us check. How can we check? By using quadrant. Look at this. 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta means here 90 degrees, guys. Here 180 degrees, guys. Here 270, guys. Here 0 degrees, comma 360, guys. Clear? 90 plus means second quadrant, isn't it? 90 plus second quadrant. In second quadrant, sign will be positive, you know. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So my answer will be in positive. So cos 90, which gives me what? 0. So my 0 is answer now. So therefore, what can I conclude now? Sine 180 degrees is equal to 0 degrees. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now I'll give one more question. One more question. We'll solve one more question. Look at this.
Sir, I have a question in this.
Yes.
Over here in the starting step, sine 90 plus 90, right? We know that sine 90 equals 1. So can't we just do 1 plus 1?
Sine 90? No, you cannot do that. Hello? Sine 90 plus 1. No. Look at this. Sine 90 plus sine 90. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. If you are writing 2, he will give 2. Don't write this. Clear? Wrong answer. Understand? So that is wrong. You cannot write like that. Shut up. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this. Now, sir, sine 180 also can be written as sine 270 degrees minus 90. Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. Sine 270 minus 90 also I'm getting sine 180, no? 180 can be written as like this. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now look at this. What I told you, first thing is what? What is my first thing? I told you, whenever I have 90 plus 90 plus or minus or 180 plus or minus, 90 plus or minus or 270 plus or minus. What I told you, function will change. How it will change? Sign will be changing as cos.
Sign will be
Cos. Cos 90 is my answer. Whether it's a plus or minus. Let us check symbol. For symbol, what I must do? I must follow 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta means which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, whether it's a sign is a positive or negative? Negative. So answer will be negative. Sin 90, cos 90 is what? Cos 90 is what? Cos 90
negative
is what?
9.
negative 0, negative 0 or positive 0, which always gives me 0 only. So aren't we getting same answer here and here? Look at this. So what is the sin 180 value now? Therefore sin 180 degrees, which gives me 0. Look at the same answer here also.
Sir, why did you take cos as 90, sir? There, minus cos.
In place of theta, no. This is theta,
Oh,
man.
okay, sir. Yes, sir.
See here, 270 minus theta. What I told you, man. Look at this here, 270. Look at this, what I told you. Whenever I have 270 plus theta, for suppose, look at this, cos 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta, which gives me, cos will be changing as sin theta. Sin in place of theta, what I have here? Theta. In place of theta, what I have here? 90. So cos 90, like that.
Understood. Yes, sir.
Now we'll solve many questions, then you will be able to understand. Clear? We'll solve one more question.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, once can you display function changes, trigonometric function changes?
This one.
Oh, okay, sir.
Chalo. Look at this. Now we'll solve one more question. Let us solve. Now let us solve cos 360 degrees. Cos 360 degrees is what? Now I got to know what is my sin 180 degrees. Sin 180 is always
0.
0. So what can I say now? My sin 0 is 0. Sin 180 is how much now? 0. So sin 0 is 0. Sin 180 is 0. Now let us talk about sin 360. Let us see what we'll get. What we will get. Sin 360 now. All right. Sin 360. All right. So what is my sin 360? How can we write? Tell me. How can we write? Tell me. Simple. Sin 360 can be written as 180 plus 180. Yes or no? Yes or no? So I know 180. Yes. I know 180. Sin 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta, which gives me third quadrant. Yes or no? Look at this here. Third quadrant. 180 plus theta. Third quadrant. Third quadrant, tan cot only positive. Remaining all negative. So here 180 plus theta have. 180 plus theta means sin will be sin only. Function will not change. Yes or no? Look at this here. Here 180 for 180 and for 360 function will not change. I told you. So look at this here. I have 180 plus something. 180 plus theta I have. So function will not change. Function will be remain same. Cos will be cos, sin will be sin, and everything will be same. So sin will be same, right? Sin will be same. So sin theta. In place of theta, what I have here? 180. Sin 180. Whether it is a plus 180 or minus 180, 180 plus theta. So minus 180. Minus sin 180. Minus sin 180 is how much? Sin 180 how much I got? Minus 0. So 0. Look at this now. What I understood now? I got all values. So sin 90. Sorry.
Sir?
Sin, 1 second. Sin 0 degrees is 0. Sin 180 is 0. Sin 360 is 0. So what you got to know now? Sir, sin function, sin value is repeating after every 180 degrees. Yes or no? Sin 0 was 0. After, again, if you add 180, 0 plus 180, 180 no. So after 180, again I'm getting 0. After again plus 180, again 0. Now plus 180, sin 480. Sin 480 is how much now? Let us calculate sin 480. Children, sin 480 is how much? Let us calculate. If you know, look at this here, sin 480 degrees. 1 second, what is your name? Abhinav, 1 second. It can be written as 360 plus. What can you write? One second. 480 can be written as how, guys? Tell me. 120, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So first sin 120. Sorry. 360 plus 120. Can I write? 360 plus 120. Right? Sir, now 360 plus theta. 360 plus means sin will be sin only. Sin 120. Right? Sir, again we do not know what is sin 120. Whether it is a plus 180 or a plus sin theta or minus 1 theta, minus sin theta. Tell me. 360 plus. 360 plus means which quadrant? Look at this. 360 plus means again first quadrant. 360 minus is fourth quadrant. 360 plus is again first quadrant. In first quadrant, everyone is a positive. Everyone is positive. Everyone is a COVID positive. So here positive. Clear? In first quadrant, everyone is a COVID positive. So 360 plus is COVID positive. So plus 180, 120. So sir, 120 is what? Let us calculate 120. Again, look at this. Sin 120 can be calculated as how? 90 plus 30, can I write?
Yes.
Look at this again. 90 plus theta. Which quadrant?
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant. So
quadrant.
second quadrant sine and cosecant will be positive, so answer will be positive. So 90 plus I'm taking. 90 plus means my answer will be cos 30. Why? Because sine will be changing as cos. Cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2. So now sine 120 is what? Root 3 by 2 I know. Alright. Sine 120 is what? Root 3 by 2 I know. Look at this now.
Sir, can you explain the last part?
Yes, look at this here. 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta. 120 I'm calculating. 120. Sine 120 is what? Sine 120 is what? 120 can be written as 90 plus 30. 90 plus theta means what? Second quadrant. Second quadrant, cos will be positive. Cos will be positive means answer will be in positive. Sorry, second quadrant
Yes.
means sine will be positive. Here my function is sine, no. So answer will be positive only. But the function 90 plus, right? Sine will be changing as cos. Cos will be changing as sine. So sine is given. So I'm writing in cos. Cos theta. Theta is what here? 30. Cos theta is what? Cos 30 is what? Cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2. So that's
Root
what
3
I'm
by
writing.
2.
Clear? Now let us discuss. So guys, here after every 180 degrees, the sine function is repeating. Look at this here. Now let us talk about one more thing, guys. I hope you understood this. Now let us talk about one more thing. Now let us talk about cos functions. Now let us discuss. Cos 180 degrees is what now? Tell me, make it fast. Tell me. Cos 180 can be written as what? Cos 90 plus
90 plus 90.
Sir, we can calculate like this also, no? We'll calculate in two ways. So cos 270 minus 90. Anything is correct. You can write 360 minus 180 is also correct. No. 360 minus 180, 180 only, no? Look at this. Cos 90 plus theta. Now class 90 plus theta is what? 90 plus theta means second quarter. First you write, guys. First you always write 90 plus. 90 plus means cos will be changing as how? Sine. And sine will be changing as cos. So 90 plus I have. He has given in cos. Now cos will be changing as sine. Yes or no? Yes or no? Sine, I changed it into sine. So now sine 90 degrees. Sine theta, no. Theta is what? 90 here. So 90. Whether it's a plus or minus? Tell me.
Minus, sir.
Minus. Why? Because cos is negative in the second quadrant. Second quadrant is negative. All right. Cos is negative in second quadrant. So sine 90. Sine 90 is almost minus will be as sine 90 is 1. So minus 1 is answer.
Minus 1.
So let us calculate by using this method. Any doubt, girls? Any doubts? Children, any
No,
doubt? Do you
sir.
have any doubt? Now calculate this answer. +180. So 270 minus 90 degrees. So 270 minus. So I told you always for 90 plus theta, for 90 minus theta, or for 270 plus theta, for 270 minus theta, my function will be always changing. How it will be changing? Function will be changing as the function given in cos. So cos will be changing as sine. So sine 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta is which quadrant? Which quadrant?
Third quadrant.
Third quadrant, sir.
Here sine theta, no, sine 90. 270 minus theta, third quadrant. Third quadrant means in third quadrant cos will be positive or negative? Negative. So sine 90 is -1. Look at this. Both answers are same or not? So you can calculate in both of the ways. Yes or no? Now let us calculate. Sir, cos 180 degrees also can be calculated as like this. Cos 180 you have asked us to find out. Sir, can't we calculate like this? Cos 360 minus 180 is also 180, no? Yes or no? Can we write like this? Yes or no? Guys,
Yes, sir.
now 360 minus theta, which quadrant? 360 minus theta, fourth quadrant.
Fourth
Yes or no?
quadrant.
In fourth quadrant, cos will be positive or negative? Positive. So 360 plus theta, then what I must write? Cos will be cos only. Cos only, cos theta. So cos theta is what? 180. So cos 180, how much I know here? -1. Look at this. Clear? Yes or no? Now let me ask you one more question here. Now give me, guys, what is cot 270 degrees? Make it fast. Tell me the answer quickly. Everyone should tell me the answer in personal chart. Here now.
Done, sir.
Very good. What about the others? Tushar plus what plus?
Sorry, sir. Typographical error.
You give your answer. Don't reveal the answer. Very good. Look at this. Let us explain this. So cot 180, right? Cot cot 270 can be written as 180 plus 90, right? So 180 plus theta. 180 means cot will be cot only. Function will not change. Cot 90 degrees. Cot theta. Theta means 90, no? So whether it is a plus or negative, tell me. Plus or minus? 180
Plus,
plus
sir.
theta.
Plus
180 plus theta, third quadrant. So third quadrant, tan and cot will be positive. So plus cot 90. Cot 90 is how much? Tan 90 how much? Tell me. Tan 90 how much? Infinite. So 1 by infinite. 1 by infinite is 0. So 0 is my answer. Any doubt? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
No, sir. No, sir.
So we'll solve. We'll solve. I'll give many questions. You guys must solve this now. So
So
zero.
what is the answer?
0.
Okay.
Now cosec 360 degrees is what? Solve this question. First question. Second question. Secant 270 degrees is what? Third question. Tan 360 degrees is what? Fourth question. Cot 180 degrees is what? Fifth one. Tan 270 degrees is equal to what? Give me one by one. Write the question number, post the question number and including answer. Make it fast. Shadab, first and second question correct, Shadab. Srija, first question wrong answer, second question right answer. Pratyusha, what is that? Give me the answer. Give me the answer. Don't write simply secant 90. What is secant 90? Give me the value of that. Wrong answer, Anudeep. Anudeep, wrong answer.
Sir,
Yes.
I'm unable to understand, sir, the concept.
Okay. Rija, wrong answer. First question, wrong answer. What is the problem with you, Anudeep? What
I'm
is the
feeling like it's getting harder.
sorry?
I'm feeling like it's getting harder.
Why it is hard? It is very simple. I'll explain you. First time, right? You might be listening first time, though. That might be the reason you are looking like that. You are feeling like that. It means
Sir, me too, sir. It's first time, sir.
for everyone, first time only, man. So these guys, they have they done PhD or what in this chapter? Huh?
They have completed, no, sir. Say they know the understanding.
Yeah. Not an issue. We'll explain. We'll explain. You just do one thing. You just go through the class, this link again and again for multiple times. So you'll be able to understand. Clear? So the only thing, only the three things you have to keep in mind. All right. When the function changes, if the function changes, how it will change? All right. When it will change? 90 plus or 90 minus? 270 plus or 270 minus? So then only the function will change. For 180 and 360, the function will not change. Function will not change. Function will be same only. Okay, we'll solve one by one, guys.
Done, sir. All of them.
Yes. Look at this here. Listen to me carefully, Anudeep. Cosec 360 plus. You can solve however you want. There is no only one method to solve this. Okay, you can write 360. 360 can be written as how now? 270 plus 90. Or can I write like this? 180 plus 180. Can I write like that? Yes or no? Yes or no, Anudeep? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Look at this. Now you can solve anyone. You can choose anyone here. We'll choose 270 plus 90. So what I told you, whenever I have 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta means cosec will be changing as how? How?
Sir, sorry.
Cosec will be changing into how, Anudeep?
Sir,
Cosec
cosec
will be changing into what function?
sine theta.
Not sine theta, man. Sine theta and cosecant theta will be reciprocal. I'm not talking about reciprocal here. In trigonometry, many of you are understanding, not understanding like this. I understood your point now. Look at this, guys. Here, but actually sine and cosecant theta, I told you reciprocal to each other. But that is not I'm talking here. Reciprocal concept is not talking. I'm not talking here. So here, whenever we are talking about complementary angles, whenever talking about quadrant system, so then the time sine will be changing as cos. Cos will be changing as sine. Whenever I'm talking about 90 plus and 270 plus. Now I have cosecant. Cosecant changing into what, Anudeep? Now tell me.
Sec theta.
Secant theta. Now look at this. I have cosecant theta here. Cosecant theta. Now function will, I have 270 plus theta. Whenever I have 270 or 90 something, function will change or not?
Yes, sir.
Then cosecant will be changing as how now? Secant. Theta.
Secant.
This is looking like theta. No. 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta, which quadrant? So here secant 90. Secant 90.
Fourth
No?
quadrant.
270 plus theta, fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, tell me whether it is a cosecant is a positive or negative.
It's negative. No. It's positive. It's positive.
Look at this here. Look at this. What I told you here. What I told you. In fourth quadrant, cos and secant is negative. Cos and secant is negative. Cosecant is cos and secant is positive. Cosecant will be negative. No. Cosecant is positive in second quadrant, man. Look at this. Second quadrant, sine and cosecant will be positive. In fourth quadrant,
Yes,
cos and secant will be positive. I'm changing the sign with respect to cos. Sorry, I'm changing the sign with respect to the first function. Look at this. I'm changing the sign according to this function, man, not according to this one. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I'm changing the function according to cosecant. See, you have to change the function, you have to change the sign of a function according to the given question, not according to what you got. Clear? So I got, sir, you got secant 90. No, in 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, secant 90 positive. No, so positive 1 is the answer. No, not like that. Guys, in fourth quadrant, what is cosecant theta? Cosecant theta is negative. So secant 90. Secant 90 is how much? Infinite. Yes or no? Yes or no, Anudip? Now understood. So we'll solve these 5 questions. You will be able to understand clearly. Any doubt?
So there's no positive, negative for infinite.
Now look at this. Now
So we can leave it like.
we'll leave like that, infinite only, or else you write not defined. Anything is correct. Clear. Now secant 270. Secant 270 can be written as how? Can I write like this? Secant 360 degrees minus 90 degrees, or can I write like this? Secant 180 degrees plus 90 degrees, isn't it? Hello.
Yes.
Now
Yes,
you
sir.
can solve. You can solve by any method. Look at this, either of the method. You know, you can just choose either 360 minus 90 degrees, or you can choose 180 plus 90 degrees. Anything is same. Anything is same. However you choose, you are going to get the same answer at last. Clear? Look at this here, guys. Here 270 can be 360 minus 90 again gives me 270 only. No, 360 minus 90 again gives me 270. No, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now here 360 minus theta, which quadrant? Tell me.
Fourth, sir.
Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, secant is a positive or negative? In fourth quadrant, whether
Positive.
it is positive or not? Tell me.
Positive.
So answer will be positive. Now here 360 minus theta or 360 plus theta. What I told you, function will not change. Which function? The given function. Which function I have here? Secant. Secant will be
Secant.
secant only. Secant 90. Secant 90 is how much again? Again infinite only.
Infinite.
Understood now? And now we will solve one more question. You will be able to understand clearly. Not an issue.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if there is a 270 degree or 90 degree, the function would change. So
Huh?
there's a 90. There's a 90 here, right? 360 minus 90.
See here, 270, I'm changing it to 360 minus 90. I have to change the function according to this one, not according to the given one. Understand?
Getting to understand, sir, now.
Now I have to change the function. I have to decide whether I should change the function or not by looking at this. By looking at this kind of thing, not according to the given question. It may be 270, it may be 90 in the given question, but if you cannot decide according to that. Clear? Clear. Now we'll solve one more question. You will be able to understand. Look at this here. Now in the given question, tan 360. But sir, tan 360 you told, right? Tan 360 means function will not change. It will be in tan only. No, it is not like that. It is not like that. I'm writing. I do not know tan 360. I do not know. I do not know value. I do not know the value of 360. Right? Tan 360. Now I'm changing tan 360 as 360 can be written as 270 plus 90 degrees. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now look at
sir.
it. 270 plus theta, which quadrant? Fourth quadrant.
Fourth.
In fourth quadrant, you just leave that. You just keep aside. Now 270 plus theta. Anujay, look at this. 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta means what? Function will change. How? Tan will be changing into what? Cot theta. Theta plus, in place of theta, what I have here? 90. So cot 90. Whether it is a plus cos 90, cot 90, or minus cot 90. Tell me. I have to change. I have to decide the symbol, whether it is a plus or minus. I have to decide the symbol by looking at the given, function. So the given function is a tan 360. Tan 60. So tan 360 in 270 plus 90, guys, fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, whether it is a tan positive or negative, tell me.
Negative.
Negative.
So negative cot 90. Cot 90 value is what? Tan 90 is what?
Tan 90 is infinite. Cot 90 is 0.
One second. Tell me. Cot 90. Tan 90 is what?
Infinite.
Cot 90 is what?
0.
Look at this here. So tan 90 is infinite, means cot 90 is what? 0. So 0 is the answer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I hope you understood this. Look at this. Now we'll solve this one. So cot 180. Now guys, look at this here. Cot 180 can be written as what? Sir, here we have 180. No. So function will not change now. It is not like that. Anudip, it is not like that. I have to change. I have to look. 180 can be written as how? 90 plus 90.
Yes, sir.
Or you can write like this, 270 minus 90. Can I write 270 minus 90 is 180 only, 90 plus 90 is also 180 only. Yes or no? Yes or no? Let us calculate by using like this. Cot 270 minus 90. 270 minus 9. I have 270 minus 270 or 270 plus, which gives me what? Function will changes. Function will changes. Cot will be changing was what? Tan 90. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Cot changes as tan. Now which tan, whether it's a plus tan or minus tan 90, I have to decide accordingly this. So 270 minus theta, which quadrant?
Third.
Third quadrant.
Third quadrant.
In third quadrant, cot
It's
will be
positive.
cot is positive. Cot is positive, so positive. Tan 90 is what now? Infinite. Yes or no?
Infinite. Yes, sir.
Look at this now. Fifth one. Guys, you change your question accordingly if you have any mistake. Srija, third question is right, but fourth question is wrong. Fifth one, look at this. Tan 270. Tan 270 can be written as what? Tan
360 minus
360 minus 90 degrees. 360 minus 90 degrees. 360 minus 90 degrees. Whenever I have 360 plus theta or 360 minus theta, 360 minus theta I have here. So which means tan will be tan only.
No function change.
No function change. So tan 90 degrees, whether it is a plus tan 90 or minus tan 90, I have to decide according to quadrant. So 360 minus degree, 360 minus 90 gives me where it is. Tan will be located in third quadrant. 360 minus 90 means third quadrant. Third quadrant, tan will be positive. So tan 90 is what again? Infinite. So except to third question, everything is infinite. Understood? Any doubt, children? Hello?
No, sir. Understood.
Sir, I understood. So,
I'll
thank
give
you.
one more question. Now Anudeep will give me the answer. First question, Anudeep will give me the answer. Sixth question. And seventh question, Prince will give me the answer. Prince will give me the answer now. Secant 360 degrees. Tell me secant. Sixth question, Anudeep will give me the answer. Seventh question, Prince will give me the answer. Tan 480. Calculate this. Make it fast.
Sir, should I even solve the sixth one, sir?
If you wish to solve, you can solve. Not an issue. Make it fast. We have only 2 minutes of time. So I have next class right now. Let me wind it up. So guys, have you understood this? Any doubts? None of the girls are giving the answer.
Understood, sir.
You tell me simply understood, but don't give the answer. So tomorrow everyone should revise this. So in
Sir?
day after tomorrow's class, we'll be continuing with this. Tell me.
Got the answer.
So secant 360. 360 can be written as how? 180 plus 180 or either
plus 90.
270 plus 90
plus
degree.
90, which gives me fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant secant will be positive, right? So 270 I'm talking. Secant will be changing it to cos. So cos 90 gives me what? 0. So 0 is answer. Clear?
Sir,
So the answer is 1, right?
Yes, sir. Me too. I got 1, sir. It changes into cosec, no, sir, not
Look at
cos.
this. Yes.
And it will remain plus 1.
Secant will be changing
Yeah.
it to cosecant. So cosecant 90 gives me what? Yes, 1. Right answer. So tan 180. So tan 480. Tan 480 can be written as what? Can I write like 360 plus
Yeah.
60 plus 190.
120 or
Sir, can you solve question 6 with 180 and 180?
Yes. 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta, which gives me again secant 180 only. So secant 180, which 180 plus theta.
Sir,
third quadrant.
180 means it will change, no, sir.
Wait. However, it should come same answer. Look at this. 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta means third quadrant minus. Again, look at this here. Secant 180 is what? Secant 180 can be written as again 90 plus 90. Yes or no? I do not know
Yes.
180.
Yes, sir.
Now minus secant 90 is what? 90 plus I'm talking. Secant will be changing as what? Cosecant.
Cosec.
Cosecant 90. Yes or no?
Yes.
90 plus theta. In 90,
Yes, sir.
90 plus theta means
Yes, sir.
Second
That's
quadrant.
what I'm saying. I'm getting -1.
wait. Here minus is there. No, minus will be there only. Now what I'm saying here. Minus will be as it is. Now secant 90. Secant will be changing as cosecant. Cosecant 90. What cosecant 90? 90 plus no. 90 plus is what? Second quadrant. Second quadrant secant will be negative. So secant will be negative. So answer will be negative. Negative, positive. Cosecant 90 is what? 1. Plus 1 is answer.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now look at this here. So tan 360 plus 120. 360 plus theta. Which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Sorry, first quadrant.
Yes, sir. Plus
First quadrant,
cot 120.
tan will be tan. So tan 120. Tan 120 can be written as 90 plus 30. 90 plus
Sir,
30.
why tan 120? The 360 means it will change, you know. Sir.
Arey yaar, 90 for 90, 270 only will change, man. 360 will not change.
Oh, okay.
So 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta means which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant. All right. In second quadrant, tan is a negative. So tan 90 plus theta. Tan will be changing as how? Cot. Cot 30. Cot 30 which gives me what? Cot which gives me what? Root 3. Yes or no? Minus root 3. Yes or no? Root 3 only, no? Yes.
Sir, I think it should be -√3.
Minus root 3. Yes, that's what. Minus root 3. Clear, children? So this is what the today's session, children. I hope you understood this. Please, after going home, you just revise all this concept. So I'll be sharing these notes in your class, Google Classroom. So until then, goodbye. Thank you.